Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with all this eyeshadow on my eyes and no foundation on my face. I'm guessing you guys can get what I'm about to film. Today I just received oh god, these things are heavy. But I received the new Anastasia Beverly Hills foundations and setting powders, luminous foundations. I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you what the inside, the PR packaging looks like. This is the foundation PR packaging. So you open up the bottom and you open up the top. We have here 5 different foundation shades that are easily gonna match me. So we're gonna swatch them on our face to see, and also our necks too, because we want to blend down to our neck, not my face. Also, we have the setting powder PR packaging. It comes with 5 different colored powders. There is, let me show you guys, it's a pretty big package. So the first one we got is golden orange, deep peach, vanilla, banana, and translucent. Oh, also, it came with a foundation brush that they recommended to use with it. Let me get it out of the packaging. So this is the A30 Pro brush from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's described as a dome kabuki brush. So that's what we're going to be using to apply the foundations today. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my skin. And by priming my skin, I actually don't use primer. I use, as you can tell, Cetaphil facial lotion. I like to be very dewy even though I have oily skin, because I like the way dewy skin looks on my skin. I like the way it looks on my skin, but also I like the way it feels too, because I feel like it photographs a lot better. And in person, I feel like it looks better personally on me because I do have texture. Now we're going to figure out which foundation is going to work best. I have 200W, so this is 200W. Okay, there you go, that's a better swatch. Is 200W. She's a little bit on the pinker side, which will work for somebody else, but not for me specifically. And she's a little light. This is 210N. And also I am matching down to my actual neck too, because my neck is darker than my face. So that looks like it blended in really, really well. I had a feeling I was going to be 210N. And then we got 220N. 220 might be a little too dark. Yeah, she's a little too dark, for sure. Just by a hair, and plus she's a little peachy too. And now we're going to try 240N, which I know is not my shade, but I just want to show you guys just for shade reference. If you are closer in skin tone with me, and if you are like a peachier complexion, because this one is really, really peachy. So that one is definitely not my shade. See how that one is just like, has like that white cast on it? Yeah, that wouldn't, because it looks like it'd probably be my color, but it's not. It's too light and it's too pink. And then we got 250C. I feel like 250C would definitely be my summer shade, because it has a really, really nice olive undertone. Yep, that would be my summer shade. They did really good on sending me the shades that I needed and not that I didn't need. All these shades I could possibly use. 210, 220, and 250 I can definitely use one day. I'm gonna go in with my kabuki brush. This nice one. I like the shape of it too. It's nice and firm. Take a pump on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take my finger, face this way, and I'm gonna dab it on my face. Oh yeah, that's a nice color. That is my shade for real. So that's a pump from one side of my face. I have a big face, y'all. I'm gonna press it into my skin. And as you see, I have redness that's about to be covered up. Let me take out my other hoop earring because it's doing too much. So this is one cheek done and one cheek without it. It's really, really nice. Okay, let me put a pump on my forehead. What I noticed about the foundation too, it has no scent, which is really, really nice. Because I have sensitive skin and I cannot use scented products, so that works perfect out in my favor. Wow, this is a really good match for me. Like a really, really good match. I run more olive. Okay, and that was just with the first layer on. And honestly, I usually don't wear that much coverage of like foundation. Like this is like a lot of coverage for me, but it looks good. So it's a dewy finish, and what I noticed, because it said that it's not supposed to be like, you don't have to set it if you don't want to. Like, honestly, I'm feeling it on my face and it already feels like it's set in, but it doesn't feel dry, which is nice. I don't feel like my face is like cracking, you know? It feels very luminous, very lightweight. I honestly don't even feel it on my face, to be real with you. It feels like I have nothing on my skin. And now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm gonna be using the Baddie Cosmetics concealer. It's my oldie but a goodie. Haven't used it in a while because I just ran out of my Tarte Shape Tape, so I'm just gonna use this. It's one of my favorite ones. I'm also using the brush to dab it in. Alrighty, and now that I have that down, I'm gonna go in with my blush. What I'm going to be taking is my NYX Cosmetics Soft Matte Lip Cream. I use it for blush, so I'm gonna put it on my nose, my cheeks. It's the shade Stockholm. Alright, I'm going to take one of these little brushes. Yep, I'm just going to apply that blush. Okay, and now I'm just going to go in and blend out my under eye. Take my, I don't know which shade I'm going to use. I'm just going to use the shade Translucent because I don't want like any coverage under my eye. And remember, I'm using the shade Translucent. I'm going to bake under my eyes with this little tiny brush. So far, so good. Alright, and I'm going to dust that away because I don't want it to bake long. It gave me like a filter under my eye. Alrighty, I don't know if you guys can tell, but my skin looks really, really, really good. And the foundation literally looks like my skin. Like, I'm not even noticing any like discoloration or anything like that. It's not oxidized or anything. Like, this looks really, really good. I'm gonna finish my eyes off of camera and I will be right back. Well, that is it for this tutorial. Basically just my first impression, so I am officially done putting on the foundation, the setting powder. The only thing I set is under my eyes, so I don't like setting anywhere else on my face because I don't like it to look really, not even dry. I just don't like the way it looks. Well, I don't like the way it feels. I like my forehead to be glossy and my cheeks to be glossy. So yeah. About these foundations, I'm going to list what it claims to do, and I'll let you know if it actually claims to do it. So it claims as medium coverage, check. Natural finish that looks like and feels like glowing, gorgeous skin, check. Vegan, check. Gluten-free, check. Fragrance-free, alcohol-free. Oh wow, so it's alcohol-free? Ooh, ooh, that's really hard to find. But yes, it is fragrance-free and alcohol-free, so that's nice. Clinically tested, dermatologist tested, ophthalmologist tested, non-comedogenic, suitable for sensitive skin, like MAYAMUA. MAYAMUA has lots of sensitive skin. And long wearing, I have not tried out to see if it lasts long, but you know. $38, that's what it retails for. It is 30 milliliters of 1 fluid ounce. And the setting powder is formulated with without gluten and oil. clinically tested, dermatologist tested, and non-comedogenic. Cruelty-free and vegan, $36, 25 grams, 0.9 ounces, and it's in 5 shades. So translucent is for everyone, vanilla is for fair to light, banana is medium to deep, deep peach is medium to deep, and golden orange is for deep. I use translucent because I don't really need any extra coverage, but guys, when I say my under eyes feel so soft right now, like they feel so good. So I definitely recommend the powder too. Really nice, really nice. And looking at it up close, it doesn't look really drying or anything like that, really cakey. It's pretty good. It did the damn thing. I highly recommend it. If you guys want to go out and try a foundation, whether you have oily skin, because it is, you can use it if you have oily skin. Like, it's not like, oh, since it says luminous foundation, I can't use it because I'm oily. No, because I have oily skin. I'm going to use it. I use a lot of dewy skin foundations, so never had problems with it. You guys like something that's light and natural and buildable too, so if you like a buildable foundation as well. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below and like the video, and comment whatever you want to comment. Do a random emoji. Do an emoji. So like finding out new emojis. I always use the same emoji all the time, and I just figured out the one that goes like, I'm probably not even making the face right, but I'm putting it right here. But comment an emoji that you think I like, because I like looking at new emojis. Alrighty guys, well, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.